Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video we are going to learn Google is providing the educator certification level 1 and level 2. So this is a 100% free for now and price is the exact price for the level 1 is $10 and level 2 is $25. So this is a limited time offer 100% free. So here, great news for the teachers, educators and trainers. Google is offering Google for Education Level 1 and Level 2 certification exam for limited time, giving educators a chance to showcase their digital teaching skills and earn a globally recognized Google certification. So in this video, we'll learn how to apply the Google Certification Educator Level 1 and Level 2 and who can apply benefits of the certification, how it can boost your teaching career and professional profile. So this is the URL. We'll go through the URL. So there is a what you will learn in this video. What is the Google Educator certification, difference between the level 1 and level 2, eligibility for the teachers and educator, benefit for the getting Google certified, step by step registration process, how this certification help in career growth, and benefit of the Google Educator certifications recognized globally by Google, improve digital teaching skill, enhance your resume and professional profile, learn to use Google tool effectively in the classroom, join the global community of certified educators. If you are a school teacher, college lecturer, trainer or educator, this certification can help you to upgrade your digital teaching skill and stand out professionally. So we'll go through the link. Just open this link on your browser. So here you can see certification looks good on you and your resume. So how it works? So directly going through this. So use Google tools like a pro. So demonstrate your expertise in Google for education products. So Google Certified Educator and Google Certified Educator 2. So demonstrate your mastery of Google tools in your classroom. So valid for 3 years and $10 free of change charge of for selected language for limited time. And here also $25 instead of that we are getting free. So get certified. So there is exam guide. Let me open the exam guide. Then task cards. So first we'll go through the exam guide. So this is the level 1 exam guide and here you can Google tool create, share, communicate, collaborate and organize effectively in an educational setting. So you can go all the details, step by step details are given there. So getting certified, so prepare, review and test. Now this is a Google Certified Educator Level 1 task card. So you have to create, share, communicate and collaborate and step by step all the process are there. Google Classroom, to learn how to use Google Classroom to collect your student work and time streamline instruction. Create a name of a class, post a message in the stream, create an assignment with the due date, make a copy of each student, attach a video via URL and add a rubric to an assignment. So all the details you have to, this is a long video and how to use the Google Drive, about the Google Drive and more are there. Too many things are there. In 5 there is a Google Sheet like that. If you go to the last, so Google Certified Educator Level 1 task card. So total 12 are there. There is a Chromebook sheet there. So this is a task card. Next, basic use of Google Workspace for the education fundamental. So this is a level 1. So this there is a basic. So basic use of Google Workspace for education fundamental. So you can click on get started. This is Google for education and this is 2.3 hours and this is for the beginner. I'm closing other tab now. So there is a Google Workspace for education You can click and you can go and just log in with this and complete the task. So just I'm just going to log in. Use your email address, and there is intermediate also. So registration is completed. Here also, this is a 2.2 hours, and this is for beginner. Auto classroom, all the details are there. If you click the get started, it will ask you to log in. So already we have logged in with the level 1, so we are seeing this one. So here complete registration. So name, first name, last name, time zone. So let me complete this. So Kolkata, English, my email address, country, India, verify, school and organization name, job title, I'm putting my IT. So other system administrator is there, teacher is there, tech administrator is there. So professional, IT, ICT. So as per your qualification and your work profile, you can select any of this. So the email address above is associated with my learning and my this is a personal email address, recovery email address. So my recovery email address is also my personal email address, and I am Chrome OS and Google Educator, higher education, accept term and condition, and click on register. So after that, thank you for registration. You can click here to access the Chrome and Google Education Partner training portal. Up to now, intermediate use of the Google Workspace. All the things you have to complete step by step. So there is all the details are there. So instruction to Google Admin Console and go to the this one intermediate course for second one. So all the details you will get like this. Okay. So Gmail is there, how to use the Gmail. So all are this. So now register for English. So level 1 exam registration is there. So name, organization. I'm giving organization and personal email address. I'll go through this. Let me go through the NIT Jamshedpur email address, backup email address, job title. I'm putting as a student, researcher. So all the details are there. Complete this, click on next. So you are registered for the educator level 1 exam. Thank you for registering for exam. You have 14 days to start your exam. Let me check with my email address. Not getting my mail. Okay, I got my mail. So thank you for registration for certification exam. You have 14 days to start. Please remember that. Remember to log back to this is the link and Google Certified Educator Exam Level 1 and registration date is today and exam start by 21st of March. This is the time. So thank you for participation. So this is a help center is there. All the details are there. If you click on this link, your Google for the education exam certification and exams. So register for exam, register education for level 2 and Gemini educator. So this is also available, but these two are free. So let me register for the two also. So all the details I have done. Click next. So here also you can see you have 14 days to start your exam and this lunch break before the 21st. So this is the process to get your exam. So I got the mail on second one also, level 2 also. So we have done all the things. So before 21st of March, I have to give the exam. So this is the 100% free Google Educator certification level 1 and level 2 save $35. So there is a $10 price of the level 1 and $25 for the price for the level 2. Here already I have shown you. This is the URL. You can go through this URL. So step by step process we have seen and disclaimer is there all trademarks logo names belongs to their respective owners. This video made only for the education information purpose under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. Follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.